I'm sure you've heard of a Reuben sandwich, but have you heard of Rachel? This is Reuben's cousin, a slightly lighter version. We use turkey instead of corned beef, but still Swiss cheese, coleslaw, as well as some Thousand Island dressing and some rye bread. Now, I do like to start by draining the coleslaw if necessary. This is actually homemade coleslaw, so it turned out to not be super soupy. You know how sometimes if you purchase coleslaw, it's real runny. I also like to warm up the turkey a little bit. I'll just give it a quick zap of 30 seconds or so in the microwave. But then I just start building my sandwich with some Swiss cheese, some turkey, and then add that coleslaw right on top of that turkey. Thousand Island dressing, a couple of tablespoons for each sandwich. You can see how carefully I'm measuring, right? Just enough so that you can spread it out, have a nice thin layer, and get a little bit of that taste in every bite. And then we are going to grill these like you do a grilled cheese sandwich. So make a nice layer of softened butter on one of the sides of each of the sandwiches. And then once you have these all buttered, they're ready to cook. I, of course, warmed up my griddle. This is a cast iron griddle, but you can do this in a pan or however you like to make your grilled cheese. And then place the sandwiches just on that griddle, obviously butter side down. Then while they start to cook, use that time to butter the other side. And the timing here usually it's a couple minutes, but again, it's however, depends on how hot your griddle is and however you like to cook your grilled cheese, but use that kind of as a guide. But you know, once they're ready to flip, then you flip them over onto their, there you go, that one went better. That first one needed a little adjusting. But then once they're all nicely golden brown and cooked through, these are ready to take off and serve. I'm just going to cut these in half so that you can kind of see, this is my favorite part. It's just like these stacks of the turkey, the nice melty cheese, and then all the textures in there with the coleslaw. It's so delicious. Just place them on a plate, and what we're having with these today is I made some sweet potato fries, and of course I still have more coleslaw from the batch I made, so this makes a perfectly delicious pub meal with a little bit of a healthier twist. This is a variation of a Reuben that everyone should try, and I hope you do, because if you try it, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.